Hello. Welcome back. I got my $15 carburetor we're gonna put on this go-kart. See if we can't get this running and then maybe take it off some sweet jumps. We'll see. No, but for real, we may take it off a jump or two. We'll see. Shh, don't tell Renee. Shh, that's my wife's name, don't tell her. Shh. I don't know, what do you think? Should I take it off some jumps? I'm thinking... Is there anybody here? No? That's the best part about being an adult. There's nobody here to tell me yes or no to one of my dumb ideas. What I want to do is I want to set up a tiny ramp at the end of my driveway that I can go off of into the yard. And under that little ramp, I don't know how or why, what we're gonna do to get it, but I want a line of fire and I want to jump over it. Can I do that? Nobody's here. If I want to do it, I'm gonna do it. That's the best part about being an adult. There's nobody around to tell you you can't do something, which is good, but also bad. Because if you know me, I'm not the smartest sometimes. But it leads to interesting stories. Story time! When I was a kid, I wanted to make a rocket. And when I say I was a kid, probably 8, 10 years old, definitely not a teenager yet. So I wanted to build a rocket. So what I did was I put a lot of gasoline into a bottle, like a water bottle, like just a plastic water bottle. I just filled it up like halfway with gasoline. And then I taped matches to the outside of the, oh God, this is so stupid. I taped matches to the outside of the water bottle that was filled with gasoline. And my plan was, I don't know why I thought this would work. I just thought this would work. And my plan was to light the gasoline on fire, or no, light the matches on fire. And then somehow that would propel it in a way. I don't know what I was thinking, but I do know that that actually happened. Anyway, I was in the garage and I was filling this thing with gasoline and taping matches on the outside of a plastic water bottle. And the only reason that I didn't blow up my entire house is because my older brother walked into the kitchen where my parents were and and he just said, hey, Alex is like putting gasoline in a water bottle. This is a true story. I don't really remember what happened next, but my parents evidently ran in and stopped me from lighting our house on fire. So yeah, sometimes being told you can't do something is a good idea, but you know, all I want to do is jump this go-kart over a line of fire, and I don't think that's too much to ask. I mean, before we cut it up and everything and make it into like a street bike. Street bike? No, mini bike. Before we do that, I want to like enjoy it one last time as is, as a go-kart. I mean, I can barely fit on it, but I still think that would be fun. And my idea of having fun in the last hoorah is to take it off a little jump and put a little bit of line of fire in front of it and jump over it. I think that would be fun. Anyway, I got this the $15 carburetor back on here. So what I'm gonna do now, tighten these bolts back, hook up the gas line, put the air filter back on, but I wonder if I have something I can use instead of this. Yeah, I was hoping we could use like a pod filter or something like that on here, but I don't think we can. Oh God, I need to hook up all the freaking things again, Alex. Come on, use your brain. Dude, I'm so pumped this came with a gasket. That's awesome. So there's your throttle. Oh, that's loose. Oh yeah, that's the governor. We don't need no stinking governor. Whop, whop. That's gonna be like wide open, and we don't know. We don't want that. I mean, we do, but we want it on our terms, not on the motor's terms. And also, don't worry, I do have supervision. My wife is really good at telling me not to do things that are pretty dumb. Sometimes I listen, sometimes I don't. But yeah, it's so much easier to put this thing on whenever the carburetor isn't bolted up. How about it's just hard either way? Get out of there. Because I am smart. But I like to party. But, oh, patina. It's not rusty, it's patinaed. So now, let's tighten that down and then hook up our gas lines and then hook up or reinstall our air box and then just see how this thing goes. I mean, it should be awesome. It should be perfect. New angle. Whoa. I'm so fancy. But it's super awkward. Like I can't get my pliers on it. Let's see if we can, yeah, we can rotate it. Cool. There we go. Is this even on? Oh, is this thing on? Yeah, I don't. All right, let's just let her ride. It is on there. Okay. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is this is the idle right here. I'm gonna back it all the way out so I can see exactly where it starts to touch this right here, because this is the actual throttle. This is what controls the throttle butterfly inside the carburetor. So I want to be able to see this begin to touch. Just a little key. It's just barely touching it. All right, let's see if that's good enough. Choke is closed, should have gas. I think we should be good to try and start it up again. Let's do it. Put you back over there. All right. We do have gas, correct? Yes. Okay. Oh, you know what? Runs real nice. Real nice. Oopsie. So I have had the chain sitting in some oil, and some oil. It's one of those weird words that, like, you say it enough, you think you're going crazy. Actually, got much better. Loose now. Brand new chain. What do you think, huh? Cool. Very nice. This is gonna sling grease or oil everywhere. I don't really think through things before I do them. Otherwise, I would have set up something to put that on. Oh world, come on, baby. The Lord took away from me here. almost ready to go ride it. I just gotta pop this clip back in there. Oh, just like that. And we are good. Good. I hope that breaks enough. Okay. Need a double door there. That is so much fun. Up my backyard a bit. Two pieces of wood. Ram. Fire. Two things. Don't tell my wife. Safety third. Hope you guys can see the flames. This is really stupid. That's a lot. That's too much. Now or never. Well guys, that'll do it for this one. And I think my buddy from when I was younger, who died of leukemia, if he saw what I'm doing with this right now, I think he'd be pretty happy. So that's why I'm excited. See you on the next one. Did that look as fast as it felt? See you on the next one.